The ancient world was full of inventions and technologies that continue to baffle scientists today. From massive stone structures that fit together with impossible precision to maps and artifacts suggesting knowledge lost to time, these discoveries challenge everything we think we know about human history. In this documentary, we will explore 5 ancient technologies that modern science still struggles to recreate. Some may be the result of human ingenuity far ahead of its time, while others remain shrouded in mystery and speculation. Join us as we uncover these incredible feats of the past, examining the evidence, the theories, and the secrets that continue to fascinate historians and researchers alike. Number 1. Puma Punku Precision Stones. Located in Bolivia, Puma Punku is part of the larger Tiwanaku complex, renowned for its massive stone structures. The stones are cut with incredible precision, with perfectly straight edges, right angles, and interlocking joints that fit together seamlessly without mortar. Some blocks weigh over 100 tons, yet they were moved and positioned with astonishing accuracy. Modern engineers have struggled to replicate this feat even with today's technology. The methods used to cut and transport these stones remain a subject of debate. Some theories suggest advanced tools or lost techniques, while skeptics argue human ingenuity alone could explain it. Regardless, the precision and scale of Puma Punku's stones continue to defy modern understanding. Number 2. Damascus steel. Originating in the Middle East, Damascus steel blades were famed for their strength, sharpness, and distinctive wavy patterns. Ancient blacksmiths produced steel that was incredibly durable, yet flexible, ideal for swords and knives that could hold a sharp edge longer than most modern alloys. Today, metallurgists and materials scientists have attempted to recreate Damascus steel using the methods described in historical texts, yet the original properties remain elusive. Modern attempts often result in steel that lacks the same microscopic carbon nanotube structures or legendary cutting ability. Some believe the precise techniques were lost over centuries, leaving us with only the evidence of their extraordinary skill and the enduring mystery of their methods. Number 3. Baghdad Battery. Discovered near Baghdad, Iraq, this ancient artifact consists of clay pots containing copper cylinders and iron rods. Some researchers speculate it may have functioned as a primitive electrical battery, capable of generating small amounts of current. Its purpose, however, remains uncertain. Some theories suggest it could have been used for electroplating or other technological experiments, while skeptics argue it may have been a simple storage container. The possibility that ancient civilizations had knowledge of electricity centuries before it was formally discovered continues to intrigue historians and engineers alike. Whether it truly was a battery, or simply a mysterious artifact, its very existence challenges our understanding of ancient science. Number 4. Saqqara bird. Discovered in Egypt, the Saqqara bird is a small wooden artifact shaped like a bird, dated to around 200 BCE. Its unique design has led some theorists to propose that it could have been an early model of a glider or an experimental flying device. While the ancient Egyptians are not known to have achieved powered flight, the artifact's aerodynamic features are surprisingly advanced for its time. Scholars debate whether it was symbolic, ceremonial, or functional. Modern engineers attempting to replicate its design have found that it could indeed glide under certain conditions, suggesting that the ancient Egyptians may have experimented with principles of aerodynamics long before humans took to the skies. Number 5. Piri Reis map. The Piri Reis map, created in 1513 by the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis, is remarkable for its detailed depiction of parts of South America and even the Antarctic coastline. The map's accuracy has astonished historians, given that the continents were supposedly unknown or poorly mapped at the time. Scholars debate how Peary Rice obtained the knowledge to produce such precise geographical details. Some suggest he compiled information from ancient maps, possibly even ones from civilizations lost to history. Others consider the possibility of extraordinary ancient navigation or surveying techniques. Whatever the truth, the Peary Rice map remains one of the most intriguing cartographic mysteries in history, challenging what we know about ancient exploration and knowledge. These 5 ancient technologies remind us that human history is far more complex and mysterious than it may first appear. From precision-cut stones to enigmatic artifacts, these inventions continue to defy modern science, inviting curiosity and debate. Which of these technologies fascinates you the most? Comment your thoughts below. Like this video if it sparked your curiosity, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the mysteries of history. Stay curious and keep questioning what we think we know about the ancient world. Hello, Burner 3 here. When we look up at the stars, we marvel at the universe's mysteries. But some of the greatest puzzles are right here on Earth, hidden in the relics of our own past. Across the globe, ancient artifacts and structures exist that defy our understanding. Technologies so advanced, they challenge everything we think we know about history. These marvels whisper of forgotten knowledge and lost ingenuity, forcing us to ask, how did ancient societies, without our modern tools, create things we still struggle to replicate? Today, we're donning our detective hats to investigate the most baffling examples of ancient technology. No aliens, no magic, just the brilliance of our ancestors. We'll sift through evidence, explore theories, and confront the limits of our own knowledge. This is a quest to rediscover the lost chapters of human innovation. Buckle up. The past is about to get a lot more futuristic. Our journey begins in the Aegean Sea, where sponge divers in 1901 found a corroded bronze lump among a shipwreck's treasures. Inside was the Antikythera mechanism, so complex it's called the world's first analog computer. Decades of study revealed at least 30 interlocking gears, able to model the moon's motion and predict eclipses. This engineering shouldn't have existed for another 400 years. The device could track planets, predict eclipses, and time the ancient Olympics. Nothing else from that era matches its sophistication. It stands alone as a technological outlier. The user would turn a crank, and the cosmos would play out in miniature. Peaks of genius can be lost, leaving us to wonder what else remains undiscovered. It's the highest known peak of ancient mechanical science, a silent testament to forgotten ingenuity. It's a cosmic detective story, written in bronze and mystery. The Antikythera mechanism invites us to keep searching. In Egypt's desert stands the Great Pyramid of Giza, a monument that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Built around 2560 BCE, it was the tallest structure on Earth for nearly 4,000 years. Made of 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons, its construction is a marvel of logistics and precision. The base covers over 13 acres, aligned almost perfectly to the cardinal directions. How did a civilization without iron tools or the wheel move and place these stones so precisely? Theories include massive ramps, spiral ramps, and even internal ramps detected by modern scans. The casing stones fit so tightly you can't slip a razor blade between them, yet the Egyptians left no records of their methods. The Great Pyramid stands as a silent sentinel, guarding its secrets. It's a reminder, sometimes the past's greatest achievements are the hardest to explain. Now, from stone to steel, let's talk about Damascus steel, the legendary metal of medieval swords. These blades were famed for their sharpness, strength, and flexibility, able to cut silk in midair and bend without breaking. Their swirling patterns weren't just beautiful. They revealed a unique internal structure. The secret: nanotechnology, centuries before the term existed. Modern analysis shows Damascus steel contains carbon nanotubes and cementite nanowires, giving it both strength and flexibility. The process began with Wootz steel from India, forged with precise cycles of heating and hammering. Medieval smiths, through trial and error, created a material science marvel without understanding the atomic scale. The knowledge was lost in the 18th century as ore sources vanished and techniques faded. Modern pattern-welded steel mimics the look, but not the properties, of true Damascus. The original process remains elusive, a blend of art, intuition, and guarded secrets. The loss of this knowledge shows how fragile technological progress can be. If we could fully understand how they catalyzed nanostructures in steel, it could revolutionize modern materials science. Damascus steel is more than a sword. It's a blueprint for future innovation hidden in the past. It's a case where ancient wisdom outpaces modern methods. The quest to rediscover its secrets continues. Sometimes the sharpest edge is the one history blunted. The legend of Damascus steel endures, waiting to be reforged. Now, to the Roman Empire, masters of building, whose concrete structures have survived for 2 millennia. Modern concrete crumbles in decades, but Roman harbors and monuments endure, often growing stronger with time. The secret? Volcanic ash, pozzolana, mixed with lime, but there's more. Recent research found tiny white chunks, lime clasts, intentionally added through a process called hot mixing. This created a self-healing concrete. When cracks form and water seeps in, the lime reacts, recrystallizes, and fills the gaps. Roman concrete thrives in seawater, forming new crystals that reinforce the structure. It's a living material, actively repairing itself. Imagine if our modern infrastructure could do the same, lasting centuries, not decades. The implications for sustainability and durability are enormous. The Romans, without modern chemistry, developed a material superior to ours through observation and experimentation. Their recipe is only now being fully understood. The Pantheon's dome, still the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome, is a tribute to this lost art. Roman concrete is a reminder. Sometimes the best solutions are ancient ones. It's a lesson in humility for modern science. The past may hold the key to our future buildings. The secret to longevity was hiding in plain sight. Roman concrete endures, still teaching us after 2,000 years. Our final mystery. The Baghdad Battery, discovered in Iraq and dating back over 2,000 years. It's a simple terracotta jar with a copper cylinder and iron rod, essentially a primitive battery. Fill it with vinegar or grape juice, and it produces a small electric current. Replicas work, generating up to 2 volts. Electricity, centuries before its formal discovery. But what was it for? Theories range from electroplating gold onto objects, to medical uses like electroacupuncture, to religious rituals where a hidden shock inspired awe. Some skeptics argue it was just a storage vessel for scrolls, but the design, copper, iron, and a sealed jar, matches a galvanic cell. The asphalt seal and metal combination are hard to explain away as coincidence. No wires or devices have been found alongside the batteries, deepening the mystery. If used for electroplating, it would have seemed like magic, turning base metals into gold. If for medicine, It echoes the use of electric fish in ancient therapies. If for ritual, it's a clever way to inspire reverence. The true purpose remains unknown, but the Baghdad battery is a potent symbol of out-of-place technology. It challenges our timeline of scientific discovery. Sometimes a humble clay pot can rewrite history. The spark of ancient power still flickers, waiting for us to understand it. The Baghdad battery is a reminder. Innovation can appear anywhere, at any time. The past holds more surprises than we imagine. The mystery endures, quietly electrifying our imagination. From the Antikythera mechanism to Roman concrete, from Giza stones to Damascus steel and the Baghdad battery, we've glimpsed a history far richer than we often realize. These artifacts are monuments to human ingenuity, proving that genius isn't limited to our era. They speak through their design and endurance, challenging us to become detectives of the past. Our understanding of history is incomplete. There are missing pages and unwritten chapters. Each object whispers, there's always more to learn, more to discover. The universe is full of mysteries, both in space and in our own history. The quest to solve them is one of humanity's greatest adventures. Until next time, keep looking up and keep looking back. You never know what you might find.